These dog kennels have been a work in process for some time. I started building the panels some time ago, and I'm just getting around to finishing them. They're modular. You got a front panel that's separate, a back panel. They both have doors, and 2 side panels. The doors, they have these nice beautiful latches on them. They swing both directions. Okay. They're held together with these with a pin and a couple of hinges. A hinge is welded over here, and a hinge is welded over here, and a pin just slips in between them. So they're easily taken out. You just take out the pin, and you got your sides and your front and backs come off. So basically, I got 3 of these that I built. I built one section over here. I built one section over here, and on the end I built a section. Those 3 sections have got sides, front, and back. So then I placed those there, there, and there, and between them I just took a front panel and a back panel, and we're going to attach them to these other freestanding. So basically it gives me 5 sections. The sweet thing is that the doors, when they swing, they clear the dog beds. So if the dog bed was in the way, they clear. Okay. I built this protector for the back wall.
Hal,
Yes.
you give her the 10?
No. I built this protector for the back wall. And so this keeps everything nice and clean over here. All your doors now can be open if you want, or you can close them and isolate a dog. Right now, dogs are free. They're not able to go up into the main house, but they have this whole area over here. They can take their dog doors. They can go outside. There's all the old kennels I had. So as you see, there's some dogs up there. There's a couple there. And probably one up in the dog park. There's a 12,000 square foot dog park. It goes way up in the woods over there. Way back in, it's all fenced in. So they get to go out the dog doors, along there. The reason that I've got that gate there is for when we have puppies, we're able to close that off so that the big dogs get to go up there and the puppies don't go up there, because the fencing is bigger, and I don't want to be losing puppies up there in the dog park. Besides, they got plenty of enough room over here to congregate. And look, we got some dogs over here.